Hey everyone, I just wanted to quickly share our latest tool, the Campaign Builder. This is meant to work backwards from an asset that you have, a white paper, um, potentially a webinar if you've got the webinar content created already, but any downloadable that you are using to drive traffic, generate leads, you can work backwards from that. This allows you to create social posts, a landing page copy, Facebook ad, LinkedIn ads, and also shares your email copy. And this gives you up to 3 topics, so you can slide through the different topics and get the information that you need. So I hope this is helpful to you. Feel free to reach out, contact us, and let us know what you're thinking and what we can add for you. Always looking to add additional features to help. Thanks.